In this video, I'll show you how to change skin color in Roblox Mobile. First and foremost, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Roblox on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your Roblox account. Click on the avatar tab that you'll find at the middle of your screen, and that will take you into this section. So in here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on that Customize button beside the Marketplace button. That will allow you to customize how your Roblox character avatar looks like. In here, head over into the hair and body section. So to be able to change your skin color, you'll need to select head and body, and in here, go ahead and select your skin color. So as you can see in here, there's a wide spectrum of colors that you can choose from. Now after you have selected your new skin color, you can go ahead and head back into your Roblox home and play a game using this Roblox avatar with a new skin color, and that's basically how you can change skin color on Roblox Mobile. And if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.